For the last 15 days, one of India's most renowned innovators and educators, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, has been on a hunger strike. You can see him here right behind me. He now spends most of his time sleeping. Till a few days ago, he was still talking, he was walking, he was going to the washroom by himself, but now he has difficulty standing up. He is not talking to the media as well. When he has to stand up to check his weight or to go to the washroom, he has been seen getting dizzy and he's not been able to stand properly. He's 59 years old and his health is consistently deteriorating, but there has been no response from the government on his demand and on the CJP's demand of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. And not just the government, but even a large section of the mainstream media, it has been ignoring this protest, has been ignoring this hunger strike. Now, you might be wondering that it's normal for Sonam Wangchuk to do these hunger strikes. He's done several of these in Ladakh. But let me tell you that 15 days is not normal even for Sonam Wangchuk. 15 days is in fact the longest hunger strike that he has done till date in Ladakh. So tomorrow he will break his own record when his hunger strike will enter its 16th day. So even Sonam Wangchuk is not used to such long hunger strikes, which is why you can say that his condition currently is not good. He has lost nearly 18 kilograms of weight over the last 15 days. His blood pressure is on the lower end. His sugar levels are on the lower end. And now he says that his bones have started showing. But he told us right at the start of this hunger strike that his discomfort is nothing compared to the close to 20 students who died because of the NEET paper leak, because of which the education minister needs to resign. Let me tell you that hundreds of these protesters are still gathering at Jantar Mantar even at day 23 of this protest. And since the government is still not giving them any attention, now they're planning to march to the parliament on the 20th of July. And Sonam Wangchuk has called on all his supporters to come support him and join him for this Sansad March on the 20th of July. Leaders of the Cockroach Janata Party say that Sonam Wangchuk's life is at risk, and if anything happens to him, the government will be responsible.